I swing by the cafe on my way to work every day. I am swinging on the hammock right now. I have just swung the bat and missed. I have been swinging on the trapeze at circus class for months. I swung the door open too hard yesterday. I was swinging the kids on the swings when it started to rain. I had swung the deal in my favor before the meeting ended. I had been swinging the axe for an hour before the log finally split. I will swing by your place after work tomorrow. I will be swinging golf clubs at the range all afternoon. I will have swung through every station by the end of the workout. By tonight, I will have been swinging dance partners around for hours.